Hey y'all, we got our Boxy Charm in. This was the first time that I actually did a try-on, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that I received in my box this month. I got option number 29. They're up to 29 options now. Are you oh, no, it's a heart. It's a heart. I thought that was a number. I got option 2, y'all. I got option 2 in my box with my box. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a try-on after I show you what I got in my box. So if you want to stick around, please do. Y'all have a great day. Hey y'all. Look who's back with Boxy Charm. I had to, y'all. I had to. Boxy Charm is $21 a month unless you purchase more boxes at a time. So $21 a month per month, or you can pay $59 for 3 months worth of boxes, or you can 6 months or a whole year. So the more boxes that you purchase, you're actually going to be able to save some money if you want to go a whole year. I left my link down in the description. If you guys want to use it, please, by all means, go ahead. If you've seen Boxy Charms over on someone else's channel and you'd rather go use their link, please do. I was getting a little bit miffed towards the end of, no, it was the beginning of this year. I just didn't feel that their regular boxes, their monthly boxes, were up to the same standard that we got before BOXYLUXE launched. I thought our boxes were a little bit higher in price, but I don't know, maybe that's just what I was thinking. This month's theme is Au Naturel, and then on the back of the card we have all of our items. Let's see, what is this? We have some Elemis. You can save $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. And I'm gonna hold the card here. And if you guys want to scan that little QR code down there, I think that will help you get something. But yeah, we got some Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So we got another mask. It says, get a shot of green goodness with a treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. I already have some BB cream on and some bronzer, so I didn't realize that I was gonna get this. I tried to stay away from all the spoilers. The only thing that I know for sure is the brush set from Luxie. I didn't realize about this. Otherwise I wouldn't have done that, but y'all know I love my skincare. So we got that, and that is $35. Wow. Then we got this Luxie brush set. Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush, and precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. This packaging is cardboard, kind of cardboard paper, so we can throw it away or burn it or put it out in our compost field. See the brushes and not the glare from my glasses. But this is the foundation brush. It's really soft. I'm not really sure. I've never tried to use a brush like that for foundation. I would probably try to use that more as a contour, so I could try to get, you know, that's my natural divot. So I try to get above there. But yeah, I always need brushes, and especially this one because I've been learning how to cut my crease. So I'm really excited to have some Luxie brushes. I'm always into Luxie brushes. Then the next thing I got is the Butter London Natural Goodness eyeshadow palette. says serving queendom realness. Bring out your inner goddess in Butter London's vibrant natural goddess eyeshadow palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. Retail value of $32. So we've got a really pretty blue here, a dark brown, and these 2 are mattes, and then the rest are shimmer shades. And then we have the Alamar Mother of Pearl Gloss. It's a juicy, shade-shifting lip luminizer drenched in pearlescent reflex. Formulated with rich sea buckthorn extract and chamomile oil, this Mother of Pearl gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shining, iridescent effect. Completely non-sticky. Wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner to lipstick. Gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free. $10. That's a pretty shade. That's a really pretty shade. Serenita? Sorry, I got distracted by the batch number. But yeah, that's going to be really, really pretty. I like the looks of that. And then we received the Appeal Gel Liner. Line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal Gel Liner. $21. So that costs just as much as the box did. That is what the pencil looks like. This month's box added up to $128. So that is a really good deal for 21 bucks. Huh? So $128 is a really good deal for a $21 box. So yeah, this was definitely worth the $21. And I know I'm definitely going to be wearing this. But I'm going to jump off here, charge my light again real quick, and then come back and we'll do a look. I forgot to mention what shade this pencil's in. Desert Taupe. So it's Desert Taupe. Which is good, because those are the kind of colors that I really like. Let's see. It's so hot. Look, it's so hot, I'm already sweating. And I'm going to put the gloss. Ooh. That feels good on the lips. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like that. That feels really good. Let's see. All right, so we have the eyeshadow left. What do I want to do? I don't want to use that blue because I think everybody's using that blue. Let's dare to be different. Where's my other Alamar brush at? I've got this. There it is. Since I have the Alamar gloss on, I've got these 2 brushes, so I'm going to work with these 2 brushes and a little bit of setting spray. I'm going to go in with Enchantress on the inside of my lid. Let's just pick it up and see how it works with a dry brush. Ooh! Now you can see me. Now maybe I can see. I think I'm gonna, no, there is a little bit of pigment on the lid, and I do have just a little bit of slight fallout. It's nothing really bad or major though. But I'm just gonna put that on the front of the lid, just the lid space only. Then I want to take our other little brush, and I really want to try that green. I really want to try that green. Yeah, I should have did that instead. So I'm gonna cover up that front part of my eye. And now I wanna take the blending brush, the Luxie blending brush, and just tap into just a little bit. I don't want a lot, but just into that dark brown shade. And yeah, I don't want a lot. I just want just right there a little bit. And on the outside. That is pigmented. I like it with that green. Let me put just a little, just a little bit more right here on the outside. And I didn't put a primer on either, so it's going to be a little. All right, I'm going to go into the green with my finger and see what we get with the finger on the front. Oh, much better payout with the finger. Much better payout with the finger. Oh yeah, oh that's so pretty. All right, and then I'm gonna go in just a touch, just to blend. Just a smidge more, and I really want to put this up towards the top. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my God, you guys, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. That shade's called Star, that green shade. Let me switch to the other finger. Do the same thing. Oh, well, I gotta put in the dark brown first. All right. Okay, and I'm gonna take the green on my other pointer finger and just press it in like the other side. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, it's so pretty. You know, it's such a pretty color. Oh my God, it's such a pretty color. Oh, I really like that color. I really like that color. That is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Stunning, beautiful color. And really, this was only 2 shades. So I like it. But yeah, I didn't have to blend that off that much. And wow. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, so I didn't even have to use my setting spray for that green. That green is so pretty. I can't get over that green color. That is beautiful. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this lip pencil or eye pencil, and I'm just gonna pop this right on the lash line, and I'm gonna go back into that green. Actually, that brush is just too big. That brush is just too big. Let me grab a pencil brush. Got a little pencil brush here. Tapping back into Temptress. Then the other side. Then whatever's left on the brush, just take it down there with that liner. Smoke it out a little bit. Okay. Now a little bit of mascara. There we go. A little bit of mascara, and I'm gonna go in with Smashbox Full Exposure. Now, I believe I got this out of this box as well. Okay, I like this mascara. The other mascara that I used the other day, I didn't really care for. And that's it. Oh, no, it's not. I gotta get that setting spray back out. Okay, guys, that's the eye look that I got today with the palette. What did you guys think? What did you think of this month's BOXYCHARM? I love the palette. I love the brushes. This one I thought was really going to be too big for my eye, but I really, really like the way this fit into my crease, and it was easy to use. It wasn't as big and obnoxious as what I thought it was going to be, so I really enjoyed that. I like the double duty of the lip and eyelid pencil. Love this. I can't wait to try it on its own because it is a pretty kind of pinky color. So I liked everything we got in our box this time. Absolutely loved it. If you liked the video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the try-on. This was the first time I've ever done a try-on, so I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a great day.